Hello, today's July 31st, 2021, and I wanted to make a quick video about 5 stocks that you should have on your watch list, for this up and coming year. That's done great this past year. These are all growth stocks that pay a dividend and that will continue to pay a nice dividend in the future. The number 1 stock is Blackstone. The Blackstone Group is currently my number 1 pick this week because it's valued at $115.27 a share. Blackstone is up 16.99% this past month and is up 29.98% in the last 3 months. And finally, Blackstone is up an amazing 111.85% this past year alone. I mean, the sky's the limit as far as Blackstone Group goes. The CEO's nickname is the Chinese Whisperer, and he does a lot of business with China as well as other companies. Plus, he's also on Bloomberg Finance quite a bit, so you really can't go wrong with Blackstone. Like always, I put a stop loss in just in case some news comes out that's catastrophic and the price just drops all of a sudden. Like SAVA this week, it went down to $69 a share, which was crazy. I mean, it was, up around $130. I can't remember the last time I've seen a stock that volatile. But for a stock that doesn't make money, it doesn't make sense to be worth that much to begin with, at least in my opinion. I think right now is a great time to put, Blackstone on your watch list. It makes nice gains, and it pays a dividend of 2.62%. That's 70 cents a share every quarter. You can't go wrong with it. Blackstone has been known for keeping its dividend growing with the company's share price, and that's something that I think very highly of when you look at a stock. If someone if the CEO's willing to keep the dividend in line with the actual share price, then he values his customers and investors. So you really can't go wrong there at all. The number 2 stock on my watch list is China Natural Resources. It's been a favorite pump and dump for me for a long time. Anytime it's down around $1.40, I'll buy into it because I can make 3 to 5% in a day real quick, if not more. I mean, you could have made 25% off of China Natural Resources this week if you bought in at the right time. But personally, I won't buy it unless it's down to $1.40 a share, just because it's really just a pump and dump. And I try to get in and get out and make my money. I take whatever's there as soon as possible. The number 3 stock on my list that I'd like to talk to you all about is NEO. It's currently at $44.96 a share. NEO was up 5.17% last week, and I believe it can go as high as $49 or $50 this week, just depending on what happens. It really, there's no way to know for sure, but it's something that it's worth keeping an eye on and keeping NEO on your watch list, just because it's so heavily traded. I think it had over 50 or 60 million shares traded on Friday alone. which is, which is crazy. The number 4 stock is NVIDIA. The stock split this past week. It went 4-to-1 split. NVIDIA was up 0.62% on the week, and I believe the split will help new buyers buy in at a cheaper price, at Robinhood. So it should help. NVIDIA in the long run gain value and gain investors. NVIDIA, as far as large cap stocks, has probably done the best overall. It's done better than Apple or Tesla or any of these others in the past year. It's in the last year alone. It's for every it was at $72, I think, at one time, or something like that, or roughly around $100, and it made it all the way up to around $800 a share. So NVIDIA, by far was the big winner this year as far as large cap stocks. And with the CEO that it currently has and the people working, for NVIDIA, it's only going to continue to go up in price. So NVIDIA is something that you want for your kids, you want for yourself. It's a long-term investment. You can't go wrong with it. Personally, I day trade NVIDIA, and I plan on in the future probably trying to keep a few shares in my account. But I like fast money and day trading, and I try to make at least 5% every week, on my account. To me, that's my personal goal, and it's a lot easier to day trade. The number 5 stock is AMD. AMD is currently trading at 106.44 a share. That's up 15.63% in the past week, and is up 17.20% in the past month, and is up 29.85% in the past year alone. And it's a stock to keep your eye on in the near future. It's because it's just continuing to go up in price, and I don't see it stopping, anytime in this next month. I believe this is, it's having a good little run, and I don't believe it's over yet. And then the number 6 stock is an extra stock, WFC, Wells Fargo. It's currently trading at $45.99 a share. Wells Fargo is up 87.71% on the year. Wells Fargo was up 3.49% on the week, and 3.07 on the month. The stock could double in value very easily in the coming year, just because people like Warren Buffett and other investors, they're safe stocks, and they just doubled their dividend from 10 cents to 20 cents a share. Also, just looking at their numbers, Wells Fargo is a solid company. You can't go wrong with any of these companies. If you've liked this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. Also, I'm going to leave a referral link where you can make $20 for free off of Webull. All you have to do is click the referral link if you're interested. And there'll also be another one from Doe. It should get you another $10 stock if you're interested. So there's $30 for free. I hope this helps. If you all have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer the best I can. Thank you all for watching my videos. Also, you can follow me at at Josh Delosier03 on Twitter. At 6:30 in the morning, I put the four or five major percentage gainers for that morning, so that way any day traders out there can make, quick 5 or 10%, real easy before they, they head off to work or do whatever they do. Anyways, I hope everyone has a very profitable week this week. Thanks for watching my video. Have a great week.